Welcome back. Now, one of the things that you'll need to do for direct response copy is to collect and display testimonials and reviews on your sales pages and your websites. And you can do this with testimonial tools. If you have a WordPress website, you can use the social proof and testimonial tool called Repuso. There are also cloud-based tools such as Endorsal and websites that are similar called Trust. You can also operate Repuso in the cloud. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to use Repuso along with our WordPress website. And what we're going to do is to go to the plugins area. We're then going to add a new plugin. Once we do that, we're going to go to the keyword area and we're going to type in Repuso. And you'll have the ability to install Repuso. Once you've installed Repuso, you'll then want to activate the plugin. You'll then need to create an account on Repuso. You'll then see a welcome email from Repuso. You can then log in to Repuso. Now you'll then have a 10-day free trial to try out Repuso. You'll want to choose a specific plan. Then in Repuso, you will come to the collect page. You'll then see a URL that will allow you to collect testimonials from your customers. You can customize that form here inside of Repuso. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to copy the URL where our customers can write a testimonial for our business. We'll then see the page that our customers will see, and we'll be able to write in the testimonial as our customer would. That customer will then submit their review. That post will then be inside of your Repuso account. You will then approve the review. What you will then be able to do is to create a widget. You'll then choose the way you want the widget to appear. You'll then create the widget. Now you can customize the code to look the way you want, and once you've done that, you'll then be able to grab the entire code and then move it to your website. Now because we've installed this on our site, all we need to do is to grab the shortcode for WordPress. And we can install it any place where we have our shortcode block. We'll now hit publish. Our post is now visible and we can view our page. And on that page, you'll be able to display the testimonial on your website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.